everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to lower mortgage account online. So keep watching the video till the end and follow through the instructions. The first thing you'll need to do is to open up a web browser. Open up any web browser of your choice on your device that you are currently using, and then go to the URL box and type in lower.myhomeservicing.com and press enter on your keyboard. To log into your mortgage account, soon after you end up in this page, go to the right hand side of the screen. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, and this will then take you to the sign in area where you will now need to enter your email address and then your account's password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. If you don't have an account yet for lower.com, go and tap on the register here link and follow through the instructions. After filling in your email and password, click on sign in, and this will then log you into your lower.com homepage from where you can easily access your mortgage. So that is how you should be able to log into your lower mortgage account. All you need to do is to log into your lower.com account and you will be able to access your mortgage. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.